What happens when your documents tell slightly different stories? Build a small onboarding app that extracts the details, checks them against each other, and also sends anything that might look off to a human reviewer. Let's check it out. Now, I'm going to use employee onboarding here as the example, since it involves a few documents that, well, should tell us the same story. First up, we have an ID card. We also have a utility bill. And last, we'll also upload a tax form. They're all made up sample files, but they all also refer to the same fictional employee. So we'll add these files, enter in the name, then we'll start the verification. The app first creates a folder in Box and uploads all 3 files. Each file then gets its own Box AI extraction. Once those are done, the app saves the results back to the files as metadata, checks the shared values, and builds a PDF report. When it's all done, we see the extracted info from the ID card. So we have things like name, date of birth, document number, address, and expiration date. And then for the next sections, we see the extracted fields from the utility bill and the tax form. Now, what I care about most is actually right down here. This custom app also does a first pass check on whether the names and addresses actually match across the files. So those look good, but I also made the sample ID card expired so we can check out the review path. The app catches that and also creates a report for human review. If we open the newly created folder in Box, we can see the generated report as well as the 3 source files. The extracted fields are also stored on the files as metadata. So, for example, this ID card, we have all the extracted fields annotated onto the file. Going back to our folder. On top of all that, the workflow also creates a review task on the generated report. At this point, after checking the original documents, the reviewer can open the report, review the findings, then go ahead and approve or reject the task without needing to go back to the app. So now, let's look at the 3 Box API calls that made all this work. The first one is create AI extract structured, and for the most part, we just pass in the Box file ID, then we list the fields that we actually want. Each field has a key, a type, and plain English prompt. So for this ID card, we'll ask for things like full name, address, and expiration date. And then for the other documents, for example, this utility bill, we'll just ask for slightly different field lists. That gives me named values that I can actually compare in code. So after extraction, we'll now save those values back to the files using the Box metadata API. After that, for the report summary, we're going to collect 3 file IDs and pass them to Create AI Ask using the multiple item Q&A mode. The prompt is going to ask for a short overview of the full document set. Just to emphasize, we don't actually use that summary to decide whether the documents pass or not pass. It's really just extra context for the reviewer. So we add it to the PDF alongside the actual checks. At the very end, once the PDF is uploaded, we check the verification status. If it says needs review, the app's going to create a Box review task on that PDF and assigns it to the reviewer from the environment settings. And that's the whole handoff. 1 task call and 1 assignment call. So what I wanted to show here was all these steps after extraction. Use the data, check it, and also make it easy for someone to review the exceptions. And on top of that, onboarding is just one example. This same setup can actually work for a lot of document-based workflows. If you want to try it out yourself, check out the Box community repo. And if you haven't already, feel free to sign up for a free Box developer account. I'm Andrew. See you next time.